Major Coordinator Melanie Baroka, Major Assistant Coordinator Laika Camilos, Major Trainer Jericho Brogada, DXC Coordinator Jimmy Benitez, DXC Assistant Coordinator Richard Palacios. Entry number 42, Cubit High School, Cubit Malala, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 42, Cubit High School, Cubit Balatan, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 43, Kamalinadan High School, Kamalinadan, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Lito Daro, Troop S1, Ronald Boticario, Troop S2. School Head Principal, Dr. Merwin Ibarianos. CTP MAPE Facilitator, J. Bonnie Imperial. Major Coordinator, Justin Castro. DLC Coordinator, J.R. Certeza, John Ricardo Lasser, Band Master. Entry number 43, Kamalinadan High School, Kamalinadan, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 43, Kamalinadan High School, Kamalinadan, Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 44, Liceo de Pascal Incorporated, Santa Rosa del Norte, Pascal, Camarines Sur. First and third year boys, J. Iverson Bernal. Second and third year girls, Jordan Palistano. School Head, Anamisa Blanco. CDP MAPE Facilitator, Joya Romero. Major Coordinator, Cynthia Elevado. DXS Coordinator, Kevin Borja. Justine Sanarez, Assistant Major Coordinator. Benjamin C, Assistant Major Coordinator. Tony F. Bogapa, Assistant CDP Coordinator. Martina Carton Ward, Assistant DLC Coordinator. Entry number 44, Liceo Star Coordinator. Thank you very much. Entry number 44, Liceo de Pascal Incorporated, Santa Rosa del Norte, Pascal, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of
Major Leader, Marian Marbury, DXFC Leader, John Joseph Campos, Certificate Company Commander, Giovanni Pines, Certificate Company Exo, DJ Atlanta, First Platoon Leader Boys, Christian Tagu, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Christian May Marbury, School Head, Idabel Coman, CDP MAPE Facilitator, Dominic Aleman, Major Coordinator, Leslie Martinez Gonzalez, Major Trainer, Team Janelle Barabara, DXC Trainer, Eddie Mirado, CDP Trainer, Joshua Popete. Entry number 45, Malatoros High School, Cagmanabajo, Campo, Camarines Sur.
Sen Manuel.
Major Leader, Sonia Miam de Bueno, DXMC Leader, Chairman Acromante, Company Commander, Alvin Hendrix Leope, CDP Company XO, Nino Raymond Corporal, First Platoon Leader Boys, Arniel Maislado, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Jana Nolasco, School Head, Jojo Monte, CDP Mape Facilitator, Alan Cornelio and Joseph Tartik, Major School Leader, Teresa Reyes, DXMC DLC Coordinator, Mark Anthony Casapido, School Nurse, Catherine Isala, Entry number 46, Sagrada, National High School, Sagrada, Iriga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 46, Sagrada National High School, Sagrada Iriga City. Next entry number 47, La Salvacion National High School, Salvacion Tigao, Camarines Sur. Amoroso John Rex, Troop S4, Steven Salvadoro, Major Leader, Samson Mary Chris, DXMC Leader, John and Rico Anuta, City Company Commander, Salvador Oliana, City Company XO, Janelle Ramos, First Platoon Leader Boys, Rio Capano, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Maria Susan Seriano, School Head, Joel Batucan, CDP Mape Facilitator, and Basco Bonita, Major Coordinator, Richard Briomos, DXMC DLC Coordinator, John Mark Gonzaga, Jonel Patrick, Assistant CDP Facilitator, entry number 47, La Salvacion National High School, Salvacion Tigao, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 47, La Salvacion National High School, Salvacion Tigao, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 48, San Antonio National High School, San Antonio, Eden Plotado, Troop S4, Rico May Villar, Major Leader, Jeremy Nolasco, DXMC Leader, Road Justine Sargato, City Company Commander, Lloyd Wency Rebaya, City Company XO, Hershey Luis Ebana, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Giancarlo Belmonte, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Angel Villar, School Head, Salvacion Felices, City Facilitator, Rogelio Jolima Jr., and Marine Boyer, Major Coordinator, Robert Villanueva, Teresa May Morgan, Lynette Ibarra, DXMC Coordinator, Donna Poman, Joaquin Constancio, Bernie Ibarra, and Erno Delgaco. Entry number 48, San Antonio National High School, San Antonio, Iriga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 48, San Antonio National High School, San Antonio, Iriga City.
Organizaciones, San Nelson E. Balano, Principal, Concepcion Academy, National High School, Philippine High School.
A. Simon Lopez, First Platoon Leader Boys, Russell Adante, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Sobel Parica, School Head, Dr. Ray Bueno, CDP Mape Facilitator, Edgar Villanueva, Major Coordinator, Kama De Villa, DXMC DLC Coordinator, Edgar Villanueva, entry number 49, Perpetual School, Utica City. Number 49, Perpetual Health National High School, Utica City.
I would like to acknowledge Madam Ani Francisco, Lecture 4, Perpetual Health National High School, Utica City. Likewise, Dr. Box Borja, City Councilor.
Leader, Sheila Nagasales, Major School Leader, Monty Borella, DXSC Coordinator, Vanessa Joy Valenzuela, Michael G. Allen, City Moderator, Jordan Notario, City Trainer, Lieutenant Antonio Jr., DLC Moderator, Nelson Panaco, Mark Bernal Lincalio, DLC Trainer, Joyce Girao, Julian Shaw, Major Trainer. Entry number 50, Tomas Avila Andaya Senior, National High School, Amamangkok, Barangay, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 50, Tomas Avila Andaya Senior, National High School, Amamangkok, Barangay, Camarines Sur. Next entry, Il Hueco, Major School Leader, Mayra Mayrate, DXMC Coordinator, Band Record, Domingo Baladas Jr. Attorney Renato Marpuli, Chairman of the Board, Attorney Norin Carmela, Marpuli Huelva, Vice President for Administration. Entry number 51, Blessed Name of Mary College Incorporated, San Isidro P. Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 51. Mukhang mali yung school na na-mention natin. 52 na yan. Okay, entry number 52. Ito pong na yung 51, Santa Cruz, Calama. Jerome Motor, Edwin Balan, Major Coordinator, Janet Banse, Lainani Pimenez, Excellency CRC Coordinator, Benji Brillones, James Leo S. Osuka. Entry number 53, Joseph Mas Arroyo Memorial National High School, Bulwang Bao, Cavite Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 53, Joseph Mas Arroyo Memorial National High School, Bulwang Bao, Cavite Sur.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Vince Alios, the City Councilor, Naga City.
Zoe Christian Young, DXLC Leader, Jarrell Kaj Santiago, CTV Company Commander, Josh Frederick Pandes, CTV Company EXO, Jenica Lay Ramos, Sam Alec Angeles Gidonber, First Platoon Leader Boys, Team Bueno, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Eliza Karim Robles, School Head, Principal, Baby Kilo Rete, CTV Mapping Facilitator, Larry San Jose, Major Coordinator, Jennifer Picayer, Maureen Caprero Assistant, Sebastian Campi Jr., Assistant Facilitator, Derek Sebastian Posuga, Branch Player Anderson. Entry number 54, Naga City Science High School, Malagas, Naga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 54, Naga